Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet a farmhouse washcloth, or other people may call it a flannel. These are really great little gifts to give to your mum for Mother's Day, or just as a general birthday present or a housewarming gift. I'm excited, so let's get started. So this is the farmhouse washcloth we'll be crocheting today, which is the spider stitching. I'm using a 4.5mm hook, scissors. The yarn I'm using is called the Veramoda Gelato. This is a yarn that I actually had on me, which is 50% acrylic and 50% cotton. I do recommend for you to use 100% cotton, which is called the kitchen cotton, which is the best thing to use for washcloths. First of all, we're going to slip knot onto the hook. And we're going to chain 24. Once you have completed the 24 chains, we're then going to start our first row. We're going to single crochet into not the first chain, but the second chain from the end. Then we're going to chain one and then go straight into the next chain, which will be the third chain. And chain one again. And then the fourth chain, we're actually going to skip that one and we're going to go straight into the next chain with a single crochet. Chain one, you single crochet into the next chain, chain one. So the pattern will be single crochet, chain one, single crochet, chain one, skip a chain, and so on. And you keep doing that for the first row. You're going to turn your work and go straight into the first chain with a single crochet, chain one, then go straight into the next chain that you made in the previous row, chain one, and you're going to keep going into every chain that you made in the first row and chain one, and you keep doing this process for this row. Turn your work and single crochet straight back into the first chain, chain one, single crochet into the next chain that you made in the previous row, chain one, and you keep repeating this pattern all the way until you make your desired size. It should start to look like this, a square look, but you can go longer if you want to. Now we've made the desired size, I'm going to start doing some edging. And then what you're going to do is you're going to single crochet in every single stitch around the edging. And this will give it a really nice tidy look around the edges. What I do for the corners is I single crochet 4 stitches in the same chain, and that turns your work around to start on the other side of the edge. and we'll finish off the rest. And there you have it. We're just going to snip off the little tails. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to give it the thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys again soon.